Welcome back to. Today, we're exploring the fascinating future of mobility. We'll dive into flying taxis, autonomous freight, and more. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to stay updated on the latest in tech innovation. As we step into the future, mobility is not just about getting from point A to B, it's about how we get there. Imagine the convenience of autonomous vehicles, the fun of electric scooters, the speed of hyperloops, and the thrill of flying cars. Innovations like these are transforming our journeys. Picture an electric air taxi zipping above city traffic. That's not science fiction, it's the future of mobility. But how are these futuristic vehicles made? It all starts with advanced materials like carbon fiber composites and high-strength, lightweight alloys that bring these designs to life. Then, there's the game-changing role of 3D printing, enabling the creation of complex parts with minimal waste. Companies like General Motors and Airbus are harnessing these technologies to push the boundaries of what's possible. In the race towards the future of mobility, several key players stand out. Tesla is consistently pushing the boundaries of electric vehicle technology. Meanwhile, Waymo and Uber are trailblazing the path towards autonomous driving. And let's not forget Baidu, all the way in China, making giant leaps in artificial intelligence for self-driving cars. Each player not only advances technology, but also shapes how regulations and policies evolve globally. The impact of these mobility solutions extends far beyond transportation. They're transforming the way businesses operate. Take FedEx, for instance. They're experimenting with autonomous drones to drastically cut down on shipping times and costs. The ripple effects of these innovations are also prompting governments to rethink urban planning and infrastructure. Dubai, for instance, is already laying the groundwork for a future where 1/4 of all transportation is autonomous by the year 2030 as part of their Smart City initiative. The future of mobility promises not just innovation, but a revolution in how we live and work. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, keep moving forward.